12:04 is your time. Let's check in with Sean for the latest on your forecast. Sunny day.
A beautiful day out there. Good day to get outside and enjoy the sunshine, soak in a little bit of the warmth. It's not a lot, but it's better than what we've had. Let's take a look at what we have outside right now. Live in San Marcos. I certainly appreciate the live video that we're seeing right now because it looks so nice. You can see a little bit of a breeze out there. It's still kind of getting up out of the north a little. We'll see that for today, but we'll see the wind shift out of the south. How do I know? You can see the banners and the flags flying there and in the background on the bottom of the screen, and it looks like we're in pretty good shape for sunshine all through the day today. That, by the way, is the Chuck Nash Chevy Buick GMC dealership down there on I-35. We certainly appreciate that live video feed. One of these days we'll get a little weather in there, but I don't think it's going to be any time this week. I think we're in pretty good shape for sunshine. It'll be cool in the mornings, cold. We'll still see some freezing temps we'll talk about in a little bit. But right now we're at 59 degrees. Winds out of the north at 7 miles per hour. You've got 50s all across the area. Got a 60 out at the airport, but I think you can see here anywhere from the 50s to that 60-degree mark. Now, skies are clear. Storm system moved out of here. Folks on the eastern seaboard looking at very heavy rainfall and also a possibility for severe weather. For us, we are getting some beautiful weather today and tomorrow. The only thing I'd really be concerned about right now is that 37 for tomorrow morning. That's going to put us into freezing for some areas. So if you have the pets and the plants and pipes all taken care of, I think that's all you're going to need to do, just to maintain that for tomorrow. Looks like Thursday less likely to be a threat, and definitely into the weekend when it's, believe it or not, in the 70s. We'll have that in our forecast coming up.